My name is Kyle Mindiola, and I'm a machinist at Wipaire.
My name is Tara-Lyn, and I am a fabricator and assembler.
My name is Al Olivares, and I'm a fabrication specialist.
Before working at Wipaire, I thought a float were water skis on an airplane.
Oh, so like before I worked here, I thought a float was vanilla ice cream and pop.
Before I came to Wipaire, I didn't know what a float was, and I learned there was a difference between a float and a pontoon, because a float has to withstand the pressure of landing.
Key West was the first time I actually seen a float plane from here in action down there. Yeah, and it was, we were at the beach and we saw one coming in for a landing and I was cheering and this lady's looking, she's like, what is your problem? And I was like, we built that, we built it up in Minnesota. And she thought I was like a crackpot. She did not believe us at all. Cause you always think, float plane, you think of like down more like ocean, down south area. And it's like, nope, right up here in northern Minnesota, it's South St. Paul. And so, yeah, it was pretty cool to see that actually happen.
So as a machinist, it is one of the first phases in the fabrication process for a set of floats. So what we take is raw material and machine it into a part, which is later built into a set of floats.
Before I joined Wipaire, I was working in the window industry. I don't know if I can say the name. So, the window industry, just putting together windows and building windows. Did that for 4 years and then went online and found the Craigslist ad for this place and came in and that was it. I learned how to be a fabricator on the job, had people who trained you with notes and whatnot and how to, hands-on experience. I never knew how to run air tools when I started here, just knew how to measure. And so with time, you get to build up that experience. The experience you're gonna find here is pretty extraordinary.
Yep, so what we do is we will get known as a CAD drawing, comes from engineering. We have to program the parts in a CAD program, and then that same software translates it into what is known as G-code, which is type of code that the machine recognizes.
Today I'm working on a top skin for a 10,000, which is the Fireboss. The Fireboss was built to help combat forest fires.
Seeing flyers or seeing videos of forest fires on the news and then recognizing the aircraft, knowing that our company made those floats is something that is pretty exciting.
I like working at Wipaire because of the family orientation you have here. It's very close-knit. It's not your corporate. It's your mom and pop shop. The vibe here is it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun being here. If you love your job, it's not really work, right?